Right, let's just guess who I've been. Hi guys, who I've been watching Rare Elvis photos.
I'm doing my card.
Yes. How can we see? Oh no, I can see you're in the. Move this like this. You can wave. Just say hello to everyone. Say hi, Team Elvis.
Hi, Team Elvis.
Right, we are.
I'm doing.
Let me just. I'll tell.
I'm doing Christmas cards for
Let me
my
tell
dad.
Salvatore we're live. Go on, you tell them.
So yesterday, my mummy bought these like Christmas cards, so we can do them tomorrow. And I said if I can do a little ring in them, made out of loom.
Hi, Songbird.
She said left. Yeah.
How many are you doing?
29.
You're doing 29 cards.
I've already written all of them.
You've already written them all. And what? Tell them about your costume. She's got her costume on.
It's for Mary because next Monday I'm doing my carols at school, and I'm Mary in the acting part. I'm excited.
So you'll be in Mary, yeah?
Yeah.
In the acting part, right? Do you sing in it?
Yes.
Do you want to sing it now? She's actually a good singer. Yeah.
I'll sing it a minute there.
You've got a nice voice, haven't you?
Yeah.
She has got a lovely voice.
If I control it,
so we got Ayisa and you get Ayisa.
Ooh, I like that.
She's lovely, and Ayisa is sending me some books. I'm very lucky. Actually, I had a card. Where's the card I got sent? I was going to show it. I think it was Joanne. Is Joanne? I don't think Joanne's here yet. Let me just. If I quickly go on. If I quickly go on our. Okay. Right. If I quickly go on defending Elvis personally. Where are
I
we?
have to do some more of my Christmas
here we go.
cards, but I'm just right now. I'm.
How many have you done yet?
I've done quite a lot.
How many? You done 10, 20?
I don't.
I'm just quickly telling everyone.
There's like I've done. This is how much I need to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Have you actually done them all on your own? Did Mum not help you a little bit?
No, I have no.
Okay, right.
Actually, I only have 6. I only have 6.
Right, I've put live on there.
I only have 6 more to do, so I must have done lots.
Okay, so there's only 12 of you on. I haven't actually posted many. I haven't hardly told anybody that I'm gone live.
Why?
Because I was having some dinner. So I'll quickly. Let's quickly tell a few people now. Lorna. Let's get Lorna on because
it's going to take 8.5 hours. Daddy.
right. Let me just message. I need to reply to.
I want to say something to the others.
Of course you can. Go on.
I say the rings that I made for them. I done 29 of them.
All right, you actually made rings out of loom band. Oh, careful.
Yeah.
You've done rings out of loom band.
Look, I
Right.
put.
Go on.
There's much left.
Let me have a look. All right, so I see what you mean. You make. My God, that must have took you ages.
No, it doesn't.
So she makes.
I'm really quick at them.
She makes these little things.
Yeah, I'll count them.
Let me see. Look, I put one on the finger just so they see what it looks like.
Yeah.
My God, that must have took you ages. There's like 10, 20 things on each ring.
1.
Whose idea was that?
3,
to do that.
4.
She made. How many you made?
6, 8.
So you made 8. You got another 21.
No, I've already made all of them.
Oh, you've made all 29.
Yeah.
God, remember now.
Hi,
Salvatore.
After
Right,
I done
Salvatore. See Salvatore here. Let's have a look.
Yeah.
Salvatore. We got a surprise for Salvatore. Where is it? Do you want to see it?
Yeah.
He sent me a song. see my daughter's dancing. Careful you don't bang me. I love this song. Go on, Salvatore. Touching you. You got to say Sweet Caroline.
Sweet Caroline. So good. So cute. Salvatore actually sounds like a hero.
He does, doesn't he? He looks so cool. Salvatore, where are you?
I'll not say that. I miss my voice.
Come on. Salvatore, where are you? Right, so Ayisa, all right, mate.
Ayisa.
I got Salvatore. I got more to play yet, mate. Right, so I'm hoping more join us because I haven't had a chance to message everyone, which is like I want to message people to join us. So let's just. I want to play now. Ayisa, I did ask Songbird if I could play her song again. She said yes. So Ayisa, we're gonna play.
Songbird.
Songbird's song. What's Songbird's name? Helen.
Helen.
She did though. And Helen sent the dogs some treats today. Songbird. Thank you for sending the dog treat. Now, Yasmin, did they like the dog treat?
Yes, I love the little carrot.
Look here, up here.
I love the little carrots and the little treats.
Yeah,
my dogs ate all of our carrots.
It was like rubber-looking carrots and little treats, and they scoffed them down. They woofed them down. So it was good. So Songbird, is it okay? I'm going to play your song for Ayisa.
Oh, he does that.
Ayisa wants me to play it. Is that okay? Oh yeah, I just can't help believing. Songbird, you know that's my favourite song. 2 songs, my favourite. I just can't help believing and If I Can Dream. Right, we're gonna put Yasmin, we're gonna put Songbird's song on.
Okay.
So let's just get it up.
The next one.
Song, have you sent it me? Yeah, have you sent it me?
Songbird, have you sent it?
Right, I haven't seen it yet. Okay. Right, okay. Right, let's have a look. Right. Shh. Come on, Ella, come here. No, she's good. I don't want her to bark. Right, you're not barking whilst we're playing Songbird's song.
It's alright.
Yeah, you quieten them for me.
I know.
Right, are we ready, guys? Right, Yasmin, look. Yasmin, you're going to like this. This is Songbird's song. You've already heard it once, haven't you?
No.
Yeah, I played it to you in the lounge.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, in the lounge I
The
played it.
doggy was there.
Now remember, Songbird is like Songbird and Salvatore are proper singers, proper.
Songbird.
And Salvatore.
I love your cute doggy.
Yeah, his name, her dog is called Angel. Angel.
Like princess. That dog is called princess.
Well, but in this one, her dog actually dances. Yes. Right. I'm ready. I want to keep your job, Yasmin. Your job is to keep those dogs quiet. Yeah. But you can dance as well if you want. Now, when you dance, don't careful with your hand. You're gonna knock me out. Right. Are we ready?
Hi there. Okay. Hi there. Okay. This is for all Team Elvis, all my friends that I've made through Team Elvis, and for you, Louis. Thank you for being there for me and for being like a brother to me because I love you to bits.
Thank you.
And of course, you're an uncle to Angel now too.
Yes, Uncle Louis.
So you keep up the good work because, as I always put,
yes,
power to Team Elvis.
Power. Right, then move that way a little bit, so I want to get in it in the camera. See where we can't see me?
Sleigh bells
There you
ring.
go.
Are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight. We're happy tonight.
We're going to sing it.
In a winter wonderland.
Look at Angel.
Away is the bluebird. Here to stay is a new bird. Sings our song as we go along.
Walking in a winter wonderland.
Later we can build a snowman. Yeah, then pretending it's Parson Brown. You say now you're married, we'll say no man.
Yeah, come on then.
The job when you're in town. Later on, we'll conspire as we drink by the fire. Face unafraid.
We're going to say it. Walking in a winter wonderland. Got a lovely this Marilyn Monroe dress.
We can build a snowman. Pretend that he is Parson Brown. Say, are you married? We'll say no. You can do the job when you're in town.
Ready to last bit?
Later on, we'll conspire as we dream by the fire. Face unafraid, land will remain.
Walking in a winter wonderland. Walking in a winter wonderland. You said.
Walking in a winter wonderland.
Doo-doo-doom. Walking in a winter. Woohoo! We'll do it, Salvatore. Salvatore, we'll do the Salvatore move, right? Right. So that was our little talent competition, and you've passed. You get a golden gong. How do we do a golden gong? There we are. Golden gong. Okay, right. Now I'm hoping we've got another Salvatore one. Angel, Songbird. That was beautiful. That was beautiful. Did you think that was good?
Beautiful. Oh, I like the doggy.
The picture of your doggy. Do you think, Yasmin? Do you think Angel and Salvatore should be on the X Factor? Britain's Got Talent.
I don't know.
Well, you don't know. You don't even know the programs, do you? Right. Now let's see if I can get another Salvatore song. Salvatore, you're still there, I hope.
Salvatore.
Let's have a look.
That's how I say Salvatore.
So we played that one. Let's have a look.
Hi, Salvatore.
Now this Salvatore, it's a bit small, but I think.
No.
Oh, actually, Yasmin's just showed me how to make it bigger.
I'm so proud.
Right, okay. The sound quality is not great. Everyone. Is chin. Bum bum bum. Whoosh. Thank you very much. Right, that was fantastic. Let's see what else we got.
Look how many I've wrapped up.
How many is it?
I don't know.
Right, here we go. One more for Salvatore. Are you ready, my friends? Come walk hill. Too much.
I got 15. Daddy, I got 15.
Love you too much, baby. Right, you can hear me, can't you? That's brilliant. That's Salvatore.
I've done 15 cards wrapped up.
So Richie boy, Richie boy, we haven't really got a topic tonight. We're just having a bit of a mess about. At the moment, we're doing a bit of defending Elvis Got Talent. Yeah, and we are. I think that Songbird Angel has sent me a song. I think. Angel, have you sent me a song?
Just now.
It says here, look, do you want Songbird to send Just Can't Help Believing? Definitely I do.
Yes.
Can you all hear me, guys? Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
Can you just double checking that you can hear me?
Double check.
Yes, I think you can. Right. How's Richie boy? You okay, mate? How's Leicester City?
Richie.
Right.
Richie.
Right.
I've done 16. I've done 6 times.
All right. Okay. So you haven't sent it. Okay. All right. No, it doesn't matter. It's fine. I want to see if there's Salvatore. I want to see if there's another one of you because you sent me a couple. Let me just check.
You said that you're going to read.
Hang on.
And I like you reading.
Is this one? I'm just seeing if this is one. Hang on. Salvatore, we'll just try this.
Daddy, I need a drink.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll get you. Turn to.
Welcome, 17. That's it.
Woo! Woo! Yay!
Can
Okay,
you
let's see.
get me a drink?
Yes, I'm going to get you some water. I just want to see if there's another one here.
Wait, is it the right one?
Does anyone recognize this person? Who is that?
Salvatore. Salvatore.
Who is that? Who is that dashing man?
Jolly. I don't know. Does it look like anybody I know?
I love the sunglasses, my friend. Love the sunglasses.
And who's that?
Salvatore, I think you've had a bit of an interesting life, my friend. I bet you can sing.
Sure.
Right,
Sure.
let's have a look. Keep going. Yep, it's Salvatore. Salvatore.
Sure.
Right, this is the dogs eating.
Okay, so she definitely likes that thing. She don't want me to touch her. She's gonna growl at me if I touch her. Princess, where's Princess's carrot? Oh, there it is. There. She hasn't realised she can eat it yet. Cute. Well then, kids, say thank you to Helen. Say thanks, Helen. Oh, they're in their own little world.
So that's the dogs eating the gift from Songbird.
No. Hello.
Salvatore, we don't mind. We love it. Right, we're just having a bit of a laugh, guys. That's all.
Yes, we're having a little bit.
It's a Christmas live stream, right?
Yeah, because I'm making Christmas cards and I'm nearly done.
Right, let me keep looking.
Daddy, I'm nearly done.
I'm just seeing if there's any more of Salvatore stuff. I don't think there is.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! No! No!
Let me just keep looking, just in case.
Oh no! Oh no! There's a shark under the water. In the water.
No. But I'm going to play.
Dad,
Yes.
we need your bank card because
Uh,
we Puxton and we need your
okay.
bank card.
Yeah, I'm going to put a song on, guys.
But yeah, Mum said you have to come up, Yasmin. But I'm doing.
She's alright. We're having fun.
No, but Mum said.
All right, don't worry. I'm going to put a song on, and I'm going to get what Mum wants.
But Dad,
Yes.
can you see the other
Hang on.
envelope?
Ooh, let's have a look.
On the other envelope.
What are you looking at now? Let's have a look.
Envelope.
Right, we ready, guys? I'm going to play a song.
Dad,
Is that the one? No, that's not it. Right, here it is. Bit of music. Here we go.
Excellent, beautiful email to me that shows us information about Elvis's
Here we go, guys.
spiritual side. The true man, the Christian man. This is why we defend Elvis Presley, because his
Right, we have
image,
to be quiet now
his
while this plays. Okay,
reputation has
guys.
been tainted and twisted, and Elvis has been lied about for 50 years. This is
Right,
why we
I'll get
defend
you that card
Elvis
tonight,
Presley
Tina.
every day.
No, the
This is why
envelope.
we're called
Emma, I think
defending
it's a
Elvis
card.
Presley. I hope you enjoy this
Come on.
beautiful song. And today on Elvis Presley's live streams, we're going to discuss Elvis's spirituality and the Christian man. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Catch you out on defending Elvis Presley. Fans want the truth.
We need an envelope for the next, so I can put my last card in for the next.
Oh, okay.
For the envelope. That's not an envelope, Dad.
Hang on, let me just see if that's going to play that song.
Yes, can you give me an envelope?
Right, did that not play, guys? Hang on.
Only an
Let me
envelope.
put the other one on. I played the wrong one.
No,
1 second, guys.
Not on this name. No, on this name. But only an envelope.
Right, we need the right one, yeah? Here we go.
Not only.
Hi, guys. Happy
These are
Christmas.
sillies. These are mine.
This is why we
Why
defend
is
Elvis
the
Presley
envelope?
every
Yeah,
day.
okay. But these are mine.
I come to
That's mine.
the garden alone, while the dew is still on the rose,
Right, remember on right. Give him any envelope. Nominate him.
sighing
Right, Tina, don't ask me where they are. Oh, there we are.
the song
We've got to give him the this one now. There we go. Here's the money.
and he walks with me and he talks with me and he tells me
Right, you need to keep it up.
his own and the joy we share as we
Yeah,
as ever.
the card. Okay. I don't have a card.
No, your card.
This one.
And the song
I don't have a card.
No.
is so sweet.
Oh, it's been quite a class.
The
They give me my
birds
trousers.
hush their singing.
Trousers next to my bed. So that no one's going to find in my trousers.
That he gave to me within my heart is room.
Thank you.
And he walks with me and he talks with me and he tells me I am his own and the joy we share
Wow, there's one more I want to play, guys, because these songs, they really touch me. They're very spiritual, and they just have something about them that I can't even put it into words. But I want to play them both. I know I played them this morning, but I really want to play them. Let me just find it.
I've nearly done all 29.
Oh, well done, mate. You're doing amazing. Right, this song, let's just make sure it's the right one. I think it's this one. Let's just see if it's going to work. I hope it's going to work.
I have to count all of them at the end because I'm not done.
It might not work, but it doesn't matter because I'll find another one if this one doesn't work.
That's so stupid.
So that one isn't doing it. Right, let me find it. It
Daddy,
is. Yes, beautiful
I
girl.
forgot to write the name on one of my cards.
Right, let me just get it up. Right, hang on a minute. I know I've got it. I just got to find the bloody thing. Oh, right.
Don't say that.
Is that it?
That's a bad word.
That might be it. Yeah, yes, I got it. Yes, my friend.
Da da da.
It's just loading up, guys.
Daddy, it ripped.
Oh, yes, they won't even notice that. She's doing the Christmas cards. She's doing the Christmas cards.
Can you get me a drink now?
I will. I'm going to put this song on. Then I'm going to get you some water. Water.
It's not going on.
Hi, Caroline. Right.
Oh, there we go. It's going on.
Here we go. Right. I love this song. It's just as long as it plays.
Oh, that was hard.
I had a subscriber send an excellent, beautiful email to me that shows us information about Elvis's spiritual side. The true man, the Christian man. This is why we defend Elvis Presley, because his image, his reputation has been tainted and twisted, and Elvis has been lied about for 50 years. This is why we defend Elvis Presley every day. This is why we're called Defending Elvis Presley. I hope you enjoy this beautiful song. And today on Elvis Presley's live streams, we're going to discuss Elvis's spirituality and the Christian man. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Catch you out on Defending Elvis Presley. Fans want the truth.
Fans want the truth. Whose song's going to play? Salvatore, this is for you, my friend.
Listen to the wisdom of the ages. Listen to the words of many sages.
Well, I don't know. Mum's got them. I didn't know. Mum's takes them and they're probably in the cupboard.
Your destiny is cast, and that hourglass runs too fast, no doubt, for the sands of time are running out. Listen to the wisdom.
Be like that. Now I can imagine Salvatore singing that. Seriously, I can imagine that suits your voice, Salvatore. Honestly, Salvatore, do you? Well done. Do you see yourself singing that? Right. Let's go to. All right. You sent me a song. Right. Yeah. Angel, can I play it? Yeah.
Daddy, I've done all of
Oh, well done. We're very proud of you. Now, Angel has just sent us a song, Yaz. Shall we play it? Now, this song is the first song, Dad. This is the song that introduced me to Elvis in 1971 or 2. Around that time, anyway.
This better be a song that I like.
I'd like, yeah, anything you send me, Salvatore, I will always play it because I love how you sing. I love how you move, how you dress. I love your energy. I love it.
Your hair.
And your hair, yes, right.
Okay, Louis, this is just for you, darling.
Here we go, guys.
Team Elvis. Woo!
Yeah. Oh, my favourite. Come on. This is how I found Elvis, this song.
I just can't help believing when she smiles up soft and gentle with a trace of misty morning and a promise of tomorrow in her eyes.
Come on, then. Team Elvis. Team Elvis.
I just can't help believing when she's lying close beside me and my heart beats with the rhythm of her sighs.
Yeah.
See you, Louis. This time, Team Elvis is gonna stay.
Team Elvis.
This time, Team Elvis is
Gonna stay.
just a day.
One more time. Come on, Salvatore. One more
I
time.
just can't help believing when she slips her hand in my hand, and it feels so small and helpless that my fingers fold around it
Like a glove. Woo!
I just can't help
Believing.
when she's whispering her magic,
Come on,
and the
Salvatore.
tears are shining on me sweet love.
Go on, Salvatore. You've got it. This time the girl is gonna.
Stay.
And again. This time the girl is gonna stay for more than just a day. Oh, yeah.
Team Elvis Rock.
You know that. Oh, I love this song.
Now it's morning day.
Go on, girls.
Oh, I just can't help believing. Oh, I just can't
Help believing. Oh, I just can't help believing. Oh, I just can't help believing. For more than just a day.
for more than just a day.
Da-da-dum.
Oh, I just can't help believing when she slips her hand in my hand, and it feels so small and helpless that my fingers fold around it like cake.
This time the girl is gone.
I just can't help believing when she smiles and whispers.
Oh, someone's trying to ring me. No. No, don't ring me. Right.
And her tears are shining, honey, sweet love. This time the girl is gone.
Oh my God. That's just taking the mic. Right. That's like a signal that I have to go. Let me just put it on. Last 20 seconds, then I gotta go, guys.
This time Team Elvis is gonna stay
For more than just a day.
Better believe it.
You better believe it.
Oh, I just can't help believing. Oh, I just can't.
That's it, guys. Well, I'm gonna have to go because the wife wants me upstairs. She doesn't know I'm on. She doesn't know that I'm doing a live. So I'm gonna have to go. But guys, we're gonna do this again. This a talent night. We're gonna do it again. Angel Eyes, Helen, that was fantastic. Gotta go, guys. Take care. All the best to you. Love to all of you. Bye. Bye. Thank you, Helen and Salvatore. Thank you so much.
Bye bye, Team Elvis.